So welcome back. In this final tutorial, and this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solder your components together. So we've already tinned them, so we still need to make a heat bridge. So a little heat bridge, and then you're just going to touch on your components and rub them across each other, and they should join. That simple. So create a heat bridge, touch your components, because they've already got solder on them, they should join nice and neatly. The only one that might be a little bit tricky is this one down here, which is, so this one will join here. So I'm going to add just a little bit of solder to my red LED. So I'm going to tin the red LED there, join it up, all together. There we go. Moving along, create a heat bridge, touch on the components, drag it along, creates that. Over here we've got the same. Come back up here, so our transistor to our resistor, create a heat bridge, touching our components, drag them along, lift up, let it cool. When I put the overhead wire through, it'll come through, and I need to create a join to this one and a join to our wire for our loop. So I need to do a wire from when our wand wire comes through, goes to our center one, and when we put our battery pack in, we're going to need to connect up power to our circuit, and that'll be in our next tutorial. So that's basically joining those components up, and join me in my next tutorial. Till then, cheers.